Assalamu alaikum. Hello, children. Welcome to the new recording of your mathematics class. Okay, today you are going to study or learn some new topic. Okay, in the last classes we had seen how to write and read a big number, isn't it? Now you are used to big numbers. I hope now you'll not feel you're not worried now to look at a big number and read it, right? By using your place values, it becomes very easy to read, isn't it? Big numbers. Okay. So two systems of numeration we had seen, Indian and international, isn't it? Okay. Now, in today's class, let's see our regular or daily life situations. Okay, how the big numbers are used, and it's been used in a manner that, and how we write those numbers in some simplified way. Okay, students. Okay, so in this table you can see you have seven countries area, okay, in both international system and Indian system, right? We had seen in before how to write in international system and Indian system. So three numbers we take in international system. In Indian system, first three numbers, then two numbers. After two numbers we give comma. Okay. So in this, you have square kilometer. Uh, why? What is a square kilometer? It is the unit. Okay, unit of area. Since here you are mentioning the area of different countries, so area unit they are giving is as square kilometer. So if you take only kilometer, it is used to measure distance. Okay, today we are going to study your metric measurements. Okay, so basic or the basic metric measurements are meters. Okay, meters are used to measure distance. Okay, and capacity, to measure capacity we have liters. Okay, this is measured for capacity. What about weight? Weight is measured in, yes, in kgs, that is grams, right? Okay, so these are the basic measurements used. By using these basic measurements, you use different measurements in your daily life. Okay, some for increased measurements, or that is big measurements, or small measurements. Okay, so let's see these measurements now. So your basic measurements are grams, meters and liters, right? Okay, I'm sure you would have heard about your length as kilometer, right? You will say that the so and so place is so many kilometers. Okay, for example, you can take Raichoti is almost 50 kilometers away to your Kadpa, right? And isn't it? It will take 1 hour of time to reach, right? So yeah, maybe approximately 50 kilometers. So, and if you talk about your Raichoti to Madanapalli, it is almost 80 to 90 kilometers maybe, right? And this way you would have heard about like 80 to 90 kilometers, something like that. So this meter, it is the basic unit, okay, of length. So you use these basic units in increasing order. That is, kilo is the big. Okay, so kilo will be 1,000 meters. Okay, 1 kilometer is nothing but 1,000 meters. All right, in a similar way we have liters. Okay, I hope you have heard about milliliters, right? Milli is less, so it is 10 raised to minus 3 liters. 1 milliliter is 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so let's see clearly how, like, exactly the weights are given to your gram. See, in weight also you have heard about grams, isn't it? Milligrams, or kg, that is kilogram, isn't it? Kg, 1 kg of tomato, or 1 ton of rice, right? All these things you have heard about, if you hear these words in your daily life, isn't it? So gram is a basic unit, and this kilo, it is 1,000. Okay, so 1 kilo is nothing but 1,000 grams. 1 ton, then 1 quintal of rice, you say, right? So all these measurements are come from the basic standard units: grams, meters, and liters. And we have, other than these three, we have many measurements used in our daily life. Okay, how exactly you are going to give them? Let us see by using your place values. Okay, so here in this block we have your standard unit. Okay, and here, for your easy purpose, we took this as 0. This is in zeros place. Okay, so, and this is a 1, and on the right hand side, as we so the left side, as we move, it is multiplied by 10. Okay, this is 10, and this 10 is again multiplied by 10, so it becomes 100. This 100 is again multiplied by 10, it has become 1,000. Okay, so from standard units, as you move from right to left, it is increasing. Okay, okay, when you come from right to left, here it is divided by 1 by 10. Here we are multiplying, and this side it is divided by 1 by 10. Okay, and again it is here divided by 1 by 10 into 10, that is 100. Okay, and 100 into 10, it is 1,000. So in this way, when you move from right to left, sorry, right side from this standard units, it is dividing by 10. Here it is multiplying by 10. Okay, okay, in this it's not so clear. Yeah, in this it's very clear. See, so this is your standard units in the middle. Okay, and when we are moving from the standard unit to the left, what happens? It is named as deca, hecto, kilo. Deca or desa. Okay, so deca, hecto, kilo. So if it is meters, basic unit, so decameter, hectameter, hectometer, and kilometer. So if it is gram, basic unit, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Liters, decaliters, hectoliters, kiloliters. Okay, so this is nothing but, it is decaliter is 1 decaliter is how much? It is 10 liters. What is 1 hectoliter? It is 100 liters. 1 kiloliter is how much? 1,000 liters. Same like. Okay, now if you move from on the right side, okay, in your place value table, so basic measurement, it is meter. Okay, it is decreasing now. So when you go for decreasing, deci, if you are decreasing by 110, it is decimeter. Centimeter is 10, 1 by 100, and here millimeter, it is 1,000. So you can say 1 meter is equal, 1 decimeter is nothing but 1 decimeter is nothing but 0.1 meter. Okay, since we are dividing this by 10, isn't it, in deci, or 0.1 or 1 by 10 meter. Okay, so 1 centimeter is this centimeter we use in our daily life, isn't it, this measurement. So in scale you see it's in centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter is nothing but 1 by 100 meter. This is, you can write in decimals as 0.01 meter. Okay, and when you go for gram as a basic unit, we have it is decreasing here. So decigram, centigram, milligram. Now tell me, what is 1 decigram is equal to? It is nothing but 1 by 10 grams. Okay, or 0.1 grams. So centigram, milligram, in the same way. Liters, less quantity or liquid capacity, it is deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Okay, so just remember these sentences. Deci is 1 by 10, these words. Centi is 1 by 100, and milli is 1 by 1000. Okay, so in the similar way, deca is multiplying with 10. Okay, deca hecto is 100, then kilo is 1000. You remember these words, it will become easy for you to understand how much measurement it is for mentioned in any of the either it is distance, or so meters is measurement of distance, gram is measurement of what, weight, and liters is measurement of capacity, that is, you are measuring capacity or liquids mainly, and liters. All right, so when you are giving place values, okay, so this is a base unit, and it is increasing, units are increasing on the left side, and decreasing, that is, smaller units are there on the right side. That is what we had seen here. You have Cusecs as measuring unit. Okay, this is used mainly for measuring of water. Okay, and this unit is used in irrigation, by the people who are there in that is irrigation department. Okay, they usually use this Cusecs unit. Okay, so this is nothing but, it is the cubic feet per second. Okay, it is used to measure the flow of water, any liquid, flow of liquid. Okay, that is cubic feet per second. All right, Cusecs, it is nothing but 1 cubic feet per second. Okay, and mainly for the measurement of water. Okay, okay, so this 1 cubic feet per second is nothing but, it is flow of 28.316 liters per second. Okay, so when we measure what liquids, we measure in liters, right? So when we say what is 1 cusecs, it is flow of 28.316 liter per second. All right, so again you have one more unit which is very big, that is 1000 million feet. Okay, 1000 million cubic feet. Okay, this is nothing but, it is this number 28316, 6 zeros, I think. Yeah, 6 zeros of liter. Okay, how do you read this number, students? Okay, if you take in international system, it will be easy. Let's take this is for units, this is for thousands, after thousands it is millions, billions, isn't it? So it is 28 billion, okay, 316 millions. Okay, 316 millions. So to make this number read easily, we can write it as 28.316 billions. Okay, so this reading this number, it will become easy if you write like this. Or in Indian system, how you can write, so this is, if we give the numbering, okay, to this, so how you'll write this is units, tens, hundreds. After that you have thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, okay, crore, 10 crore, and 100 crore, okay. And this also, let's take okay, you'll have this as Arab, 10 Arabs, okay. So normally you'll read it as 28 Arabs, 31 crores, 60 lakhs, okay. So you can write this number to make it easy as 28.316 Arabs, okay. Or since you generally use in crores, okay, you can write the whole, this whole till here it is coming for crores, isn't it? You can write this number as 28,000, sorry, 2,831.6 crores, okay, crores of liters. You can write in Indian system as 28.316 Arbs liters, okay. Normally here Arbs we are not using, we are using it till crores, so you can write this as 2,831.6 crore liter, okay. You can write in this way or in this way. We use these points just to make it easy for convenience purpose, and for reading of the big numbers we use these points. Okay students, I hope this is clear. 1 milliliter, okay, it is equal to 1 cc, that is cubic centimeter, okay. So what is the liter mean? The capacity measurement, it is liter, isn't it? So the capacity of the cuboid, all right, we have, that is we take this as cubic meter, okay. Area of this cuboid, it is meter cube, okay. If it is 1 meter, all the sides of if it is of 1 meter, we have meter cube as its area, okay. So the measurement of this in this cuboid in terms of liter, we have this relation, okay. So 1 milliliter, milli is what, 1000th liter, okay, is this is equal to 1 cubic centimeter, okay. So 1 centimeter of the cuboid, okay, this capacity is equal to 1 milliliter, all right. So this is the relation between your liter and the cuboid capacity, all right. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cc, remember this, all right. Okay, so now in the next expression we say that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This is very easy, what they are saying, it is 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. How is it 1000 milliliter? See, we have 1000, okay, milli is what, it is 1 by 1000, isn't it? We had seen in this table, milli is what, 1 by 1000, right? So you are 1 by 1000, this is liters. So when it gets cancelled, you are getting 1 liter, isn't it? So 1 liter is giving you 1000, it's nothing but 1000 milliliter, okay. Now let's convert this in terms of cuboid. So now we had this 1 centimeter, we have this relation. If it is 1 meter cube, then you have 1000 liters in it, isn't it? So what 1 liter is, how much? So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Or when you take this 1000 on this side, this is kilo, okay. when you take this 1000 on this side, it becomes milli. So 1 millimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, in the other words. Alright. Okay, let's stop here, students. I will continue this. Okay, measurements. This is just to say that you have measurements, okay, where big measurements and small measurements. All right. And so for big numbers, how you are going to read and what are the measurements of those, depending on the type of measurement you're doing, whether it is capacity, weight or length. Okay, let's continue in the next class. Until we meet again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.